The feeder main has been filled with water. And the caution that we are exercising right now is the speed at which we flow water through the pipe. The speed of flow has been increasing over the past 2-week period. And as we have increased that speed, we have monitored how the pipe is responding to that pressure. And because things are looking good at the moment, with only one pump turned on at the Bears Paw plant, the plan is to turn one more pump on midday today to increase the speed at which water can flow. The water operations team will be using acoustic monitoring, and they will be carefully watching pressure increases over the next 72 hours. If there are no issues, it is possible that more information about moving to stage 2 will be available on Thursday.
This is our next step, and so that's as we've talked about the configurations we have and how we bring pressure and flow back into this pipe. This is the next step, and so we're ready to take the next step. But as you said, it is a big jump going from 55 to 70, and so that's why we've been cautious before we've done this. We've been monitoring the pipe. We're ready to do this, and we're going to be listening to the pipe to see how it responds as we turn that additional pump on today. So as we do the options analysis, we'll really be looking at what that condition of the entire pipe is, and that's why we're waiting for that information from the pipe diver that we'll receive at the end of July. That's going to tell us the condition of the entire length of pipe, and that will help inform the decisions we'll make going forward. So it's too early to tell what we'll do right now.
We are in this restoration phase. I know that Calgarians want and deserve answers to what went wrong and how we landed here. I called for a comprehensive third-party review of this incident, which I expect to cover exactly what happened to the pipe, to review the city's response to the water crisis, as well as the steps that were taken to fix the problem. As a council, we are presently working through those details to ensure that the review is fully arm's length and that it is independent. And I promise that we will get to the bottom of all of these issues. We need to make sure that this doesn't happen again. While we have already taken steps to improve monitoring and to ensure that we have supplies on hand to fix the system should we experience any problems in the future, we can certainly do more. I've promised a wide-ranging examination of the city's underground infrastructure, and I committed to work with my city council to ensure that there's enough of a budget to run a thorough inspection of all underground water pipes. And going forward, I will continue to ask important questions to find out what we need in the budget, so we have technology and inspection methods required to fully understand at all times the state of our water infrastructure.